I just wanted to show you a really quick and simple jig that I came up with for a jig. So this is a pocket hole jig by Kreg, and this is a jig for the pocket hole jig. So basically this is useful if you are drilling pocket holes into the narrow end of a 2x4, 2x3, or really any 2x material. Basically just pop this jig right in here, and then you can put it on the 2x material, and it fits really nicely there, and it's all spaced out. It's spaced back correctly, and it's also centered on the 2x material. And then you don't have to clamp it down, you just hold it right here and you can drill your hole. And then you can see that you got a perfectly centered pocket hole, and it's also spaced back from this edge the appropriate distance. I realize this is a pretty specific use case for a jig like this, but if you are going to be drilling a lot of pocket holes like this in some 2x material and you kind of want to speed up that effort, I'll leave a link to this. You can buy these on my Etsy page, and I'll leave a link to that down below.